Hey guys, welcome back to another Minecraft video, and today we are playing survival games. It's gonna be really interesting and stuff. I hope it doesn't lag my game up because I really hate it when it does that. You know, it's for what? Oh my god, it's starting really soon. What? Okay. Yeah, I haven't played Hunger Games on. Oh yeah, I'm playing on skga.me, which is owned by Skydoes Minecraft. Link to his channel, it's going to be in the description down below. Okay. Ah! The hell? I'm lagging up a storm. Okay, water, please. Okay, we're gonna go to this. That's actually kind of creepy. When you think about it, like, you hear a cannon in the distance, but you know that it means that somebody's dead, but no, there's a giant ship in the sky. It would have a cannon, so you would think it's gonna attack you and kill you. See, it all. I mean, yeah, I live in a place where it rains a lot, so like it's sunny out, but like if it's on a rainy day, I'm literally gonna think that it's thunder and lightning, and it's just gonna bug me so bad, and I can't find anything. Oh, it's nighttime. I'm terrified. The sleeping angels. Oh, this is actually really cool. Never noticed that before. It's like spinning like around like really fast. It kind of makes me think it's gonna be in a world, because it should not be spinning fast. I hate the water. Okay, so we need to find stuff. I'm nervous to go under. Ooh. The fish may have taken my life, but in turn I have taken its own. Ooh! Iron sword! Yeah! Sorry, I don't know how to, for some reason I can't quick move these, and it's kind of frustrating. All I need now is a bow. Oh wait, I need armor and food too. That's actually really cool. Let's find some armor. I don't know how to disable that thing in the corner. It's really annoying. I don't know why it's there. It's just weird, you know? Stuff. Yeah. It's spring over here, and it's actually sunny out for once. Normally it's like cold and dreary. Normal weather. Ooh, I'm better. Fun chip. Oh, power 2, sweet. Oh, we got chicken. I want that stick, and I want that. Okay, we have a power 2 bow. that is amazing. Whenever I find a enchanted item, it usually has knockback 1 or something, or it's not enchanted at all, and it's like, and then like you see people who's like have like enchanted armor, weapons, and all this stuff, and you wonder like what how did they get so much XP? Oh, I got 1 level. Yeah, I'm not gonna even go for people, considering it took me a long time to look for items, so there's probably people who has better items than me, but then again, there's that chest. See? Ooh! I got a potato, I got an axe, I got a hoe of butter. Where else? Move that there. What was that? Did you just hear that? What was that? What, what was that? That's oh, chest. But what was that noise? It was blooped by Captain Joyer. Ooh, sweet. I got beef. I got another stick. Wait, what? Oh, ooh, I got wizard staff. Okay, I'm gonna. Okay, when did Harry Potter enter the Hunger Games? Okay, it's like I found a witch staff. I mean, seriously though. I mean, like you put Harry Potter in the Hunger Games and he kicks butt. He just kills you. I mean, he has magic. But seriously though, when did he enter the Hunger Games? Ew, what's that over there? Oh my god, that's so loud. Keep moving. Chest plate. Oops. Let's check out what's up here. Oh yeah. So now, got my sword. Stuff. Ooh, found another. We got an iron sword. Ooh, we got a diamond. We got that. Let's just take this apple. We got butter boots. Place the stone axe. And the chicken. We are getting geared up, man. I mean, ooh, helmet. I'm not sure if I want a fire protection. How do you bleep somebody? I mean, I don't get it. Okay, so we're gonna keep moving. Oh, there's only 10 trippy stuff. Yeah, I really like this place. When you guys play on this map, on this server, look for the look for that structure right there if you play this map. Because I got good stuff. See, well, actually I found the stuff I found. But yeah, I found stuff. Flutter Jeff. Flutter. Yeah, Flutter. 9 tributes left and it's, oh my god, this takes forever. Yep, got my 2 boys. Got my kitties on my bed, right next to me. Yeah, if you're wondering, I'm doing all my recordings on my laptop. I have a wireless mouse that I use for it. Oh crap, mobs. But yeah, so in the future, if you hear me say move at all, I'm probably yelling at my cats because they could be needing. See when that happens? I mean, like, literally, like, I was playing Hunger Games with, like, and, with one of my friends. I do have friends. Okay. So let's put away the stuff that we don't need. Don't need that. I don't need that. Oh, 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 yes. What's that? Okay, so we got a shovel that has sharpness 2 and fire aspect. Wait, I wasn't done. I'm taking that apple. Dude, we are like getting stacked. Oh. If we find another diamond, I can make a sword. A diamond sword. Cause you know, that'd be pretty cool. But I'll probably have to go back to the structure and stuff. Oh! Dude, this is terrifying. So, I'm not sure, indeed, if I want to use my shovel or my sword. Because my shovel has knockback on it, but it has fire aspect. But the sword, on the other hand, is stronger and does more damage. So, I'm not sure what I'm going to do. I probably will use the shovel, though. Really? I'm lagging now. Dang it. Okay, why am I so jumpy? I'm like so jumpy and I have no idea why. There's that weird noise again. I swear, I'm not going crazy. I swear to you. There is this thing. It's doing it again. There's a chest in the tree, but I'm not gonna go for it. There's a chest. Okay, come on. I'm laggy. What? Shovel. Shovel. No! I'm out! Well, the important thing was I got to D, which is cool. So, I hope you guys enjoyed survival games, the first one, and I hope to do more things and stuff. Oh yeah, I tried loading a mod survival pack, a modded pack, but for some reason it wouldn't load, so it may be a while before we do a modded survival thing. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you like this episode, please leave a like. And if you are new to the channel, then subscribe and for more stuff. Because you know what? They're gonna be awesome. Okay, bye.